Hey guys, it's Andre here from Slick Auto. So we have this little Project Forester in here, and one of the issues, other than the faded paint, was the fact that this trim was really badly faded. If you have a look at it, you can see just how bad it is. So we're going to restore using some Solution Finish Trim Restore, and you'll be able to see just how dramatic this product is. So we basically are just going to apply it just like that, and it's just going to transform the color. And this is going to be semi-permanent. It's going to last a fair bit. You don't even have to worry about going over onto the paint because it's going to wipe right off of the paint. But you can see we're just going to do half. I'm going to show you this section. Leave it for 5 minutes, and it's going to be ready to wipe down. And a massive transformation. Make sure we get on all the little crevices here. So you can see, if you compare one side to the other, just how dramatic that looks. And it looks like it should have looked right from the factory. And we'll have a look at the cowl piece. So if you come with me over to the front of the vehicle, we have a piece here on the cowl. These tend to fade quite a bit as well. So these are also very easy to restore. We can get some color back in here. We'll lift the wipers and do it properly, but I wanted to show you just really how good of a product this is. This is fantastic. It's going to really kind of renew the look of this vehicle on top of the polishing that we've done, on top of the claying that we've done to the paint, and get a good coat of protection. And it's going to be looking new for years to come. Cheers, guys.